Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shakay. If you're new here, hey.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
So guys, it is Tuesday, and as you see from the title or the thumbnail, I'm gonna be showing you like a Easter vlog kind of, but I decided to do this kind of different. So I don't want to show like the normal stuff. So I have a event today and I have one. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Just be a wash your face. Anyways, I have an event on Tuesday, which is today, and Thursday, which I'm sure of. I'm not sure about anything else, but I'm sure of those 2 days. So this vlog will be those two adventures, just showing you guys what I did and all of that. So yeah, so I'm ready to go to the event for today, which is a social. So it's a church social. What now? See my clothes, 2 piece. Anyways, so I'm just dressed kind of casually in my biker shorts and a t-shirt, simple. Just a social over the church, so nothing too much, and then we're gonna have some fun. So just wanted to bring you guys along so you guys can see what I did. So let's go have some fun.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say with the top down. Oh, it's good to know where you live right now. So let's not waste another day. Come to find out to see them. Oh, it's nothing to say with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. It's good to know where you live, and I ain't worried about it. So let's not waste another day. Come too far.
Hey guys,
People look warmless.
Hi guys. So I did start this vlog already. So this is a continuation. So it's Thursday, and we are our first stop is at Grotto Cave. It's my first time, her second time. Yeah. We come with one church. People. Group. So hot. Like hot.
You know I so much bat up here.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna show you the bats of Green Grotto. Yeah. So yes, these are the bats of Green Grotto. We have the muscat, whatever that be. Big-eared Antillean ghost face bats, Maclay's mustache bats, Sooty we can't call them name yet. Anyways, there y'all go. Those are the bats. Cute though. These guys, so we are in Green Grotto and we're waiting to go in. We're not gone yet, so we're waiting. Hi guys, so I was editing and I just realized I needed to pause the video right here to just explain to you guys why we jumped from Green Grotto straight to Dunn. So we were there waiting. They placed us one side and asked us to wait, and then we were waiting for a while and we're already late. And when we went and asked, they were telling us that we have 4 groups in front of us. No, we did not pre-register. We did not pre-book, I should say. We didn't pre-book. So when we went there, even though we got there first, the persons that were pre-booked, they came pretty much directly after. Oh, hi! Welcome. They came directly afterwards. So it's like we decided, just make the decision, say we could just leave and nobody with the Green Grotto, because we couldn't wait until those 4 groups go in. It was 4 large groups and it takes a while, so we just decided not to do it. So that is why we jumped from Green Grotto straight to Dunn whenever I get to go in. All right, so next time for the Green Grotto business. All right, yeah.
Careful, don't bend down in there. Guys, we're at Dunn, but we don't know what I'm gonna say, but hi!
This will make it a dark show.
What is much time, you know?
No, Sunny gets got there with it.
Not me! I'm going to put her in a deep vlog. It's cold. Hey, my finger them and my toe them, come like them I go no. It's cool ready.
Wait, I'm put on the glass. Ladies and gentlemen, we did not get to go and see the bats. The bats were not seen.
The bats weren't batting.
The bats weren't batting. But you know, we're here at the Dunnsboro for the 16th time.
Or 20th.
Our 20th, who knows? But nevertheless, we're in the cold water. We didn't go down to the bottom this time, you know? And our man is looking at me and I don't know why. I'm not sure. If I'm going to kill, I want him, but I'm not kill. But anyway, yeah. So, shit! You excited? The water cold. Oh, yes! Oh, now, breathe.
Hello, now wake up the kids. Yeah, so we're here and people are carrying Nala.
Nala, I got up for the water park. I must have get it. I'm minutes here. Anywho, it's not my vlog, but I'm the chatterbox. Go ahead. I don't know. Yeah, she don't want to vlog. Let me vlog for you. What's up? Yes, some people. If you've never been to Dunnsboro, I check out what down here. It's nice. $1,000 people from how much is that?
The adults, the local adults, have a job for the kids.
No,
You know what's no pre-promo because they're not paying me. Not paying me. I want to know if they talk about YouTube. Pick up your know them supposed to ready and count.
But I'm gonna get it right. You said you'll never leave my side. Got up your word, you never lie. And every need you will supply. Yeah. When I'm in trouble, I know you'll hide me. And when I'm lost, I know you'll guide me. And if I wander off, I know you'll find me. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.